Globe, a spherical model of Earth that represents geographical features accurately. Map, a two-dimensional representation of a part of the Earth's surface showing features like roads, landmarks, rivers, etc. Atlas, a collection or book of maps. Physical maps, maps that show natural features like mountains, rivers, and oceans. Political maps, maps that show the boundaries of countries, states, and cities. Thematic maps, maps that focus on specific themes or information such as climate, population, etc. Scale, the ratio between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. Cardinal directions, the four main directions: north, east, south, west. Intermediate directions, directions between the cardinal directions such as northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Symbols, icons used on maps to represent different features like buildings, roads, rivers, etc. Latitude, imaginary lines running parallel to the equator used to measure the distance north or south from the equator. Longitude, imaginary lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole used to measure the distance east or west from the prime meridian. Prime meridian, the 0-degree longitude lines that passes through Greenwich mainland. Greenwich, England. Equator, the 0-degree latitude line that divides the earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Grid lines, the intersection of latitude and longitude lines that create a coordinate system for locating places on the earth. Coordinates, the system of latitude and longitude used to precisely locate any place on earth. For example, 29-degree north, 77-degree east for Delhi. Meridian, a line of longitude running from the North Pole to the South Pole. International date line, the line at approximately 180-degree longitude that separates one calendar day from the next. Local time, the time at a specific location based on its longitude. Standard time, the time in a region or country usually based on a central meridian, that is Indian Standard Time IST. Time zones, areas of the earth that have the same standard time, typically based on longitudes. Torrid zone, the climate zone around the equator, generally hot. Temperate zone, the climate zone between equator and the poles with moderate temperatures. Frigid zone, the climate zone near the poles characterized by cold temperatures.